particular, what I'll do for the rest of the presentation is actually share how it's really used for that blended learning or personalized learning approach in the classrooms. But just before we go into a few different examples, I just want to summarize some of the other features that we do make accessible for our classrooms within the tool. So beyond the fact that you could create your content very easily within it, at the same time we offer a number of features that help to support educators in fostering the 4 C's of education. So that includes creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. So at the same time within the tool, we make it very easy for the teachers to be able to publish and share their content. So whether that's online or offline for students, teachers to be able to access. You'll also have the ability to earn badges. So the idea is that within Buncee, we try to engage our students and teachers, so you can earn badges and recognition for your work. So that means you earn badges for how much you create, how much you engage in discussion, how much you submit your homework on time or in a row. So you could earn recognition to really encourage your students. And lastly, you could also engage your students in discussion. So rather than just creating content, you could also have them comment on and react with each other. So in that sense, what they'll be able to do is really foster that peer-to-peer learning. Other features that we do provide to support our teachers is also to help them save their time so that they'll be able to more effectively teach. So within the tool, you could also create your Buncees as assignments. So you have a classroom management dashboard, so you'll be able to push out your resources to your students immediately and also be able to grade it within the tool, so it's very easy for you to manage your class. You'll also have access to templates, so there's over 1,000+ templates that you have access to within the tool. And that ranges from across 25+ categories, so that could span from language learning, to math, to science, to any of the interdisciplinary or literacy subject areas. So you have templates for that. At the same time, within the tool itself, we also make it very easy for students and teachers to be able to share their resources with one another. So that if you're within a department, you could also make it easily accessible to each other. Other things that are within the platform before I dive